Hey everyone, Leigh from Martinuzzi Property Group. This is my final market update for 2024. I hope you've had a fantastic year. Let's jump into it. The Australian property market this year has once again proven its resilience despite some pretty big challenges. 13 interest rate hikes, affordability pressures, property shortages, economic uncertainty. Yet here on the Sunshine Coast, we've continued to hold our own. So let's take a quick look back at what's happened throughout the year. So nationally, property prices slowed from the start to the end, and we actually saw CoreLogic reporting a 0.1% property price growth for November. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne struggled. They've even seen some negative price growth there, while places like Perth, Brisbane and Adelaide have recorded super strong growth. Perth in particular saw prices jump over 20% this year, and it's still booming over there as well. Closer to home on the Sunshine Coast, well, we've performed exceptionally well. We've had annual dwelling values up 7.8%, quarterly growth sitting at about 1.8%. The median home value now sits at just over $1 million. We've seen time on the market extend slightly, but vendor discounting has tightened up at 3.4%. This highlights, number one, still a high level of buyer interest, but also a high level of seller confidence. Buyers are showing more caution and they're more happy to wait for the right property. That's one trend we are noticing more right now. One of the standout stories this year has been the luxury property market on the coast, where values in the top 5% have increased by 55% since 2019. That's incredible, right? Meanwhile, the affordability segment, now this is the segment I sort of say is between $600,000 and $800,000, remains in huge demand, and it's increasingly hard to find those properties. This is putting an upward pressure on price growth in this particular segment. And I think that might shift in 2025 as affordability becomes less attractive for those areas. The top three most affordable suburbs on the coast are Nambour, Burnside and Kenilworth. So let's have a look what's ahead for 2025. Well, most experts, including the big four banks, are predicting 1, 2, maybe 3 cuts next year, possibly as early as the first quarter. While this will stimulate buyer activity, affordability will remain a challenge as supply struggles to keep up with demand. So that's my wrap for this year. If you guys are thinking of buying or selling in the new year, remember this: the market doesn't stop for Christmas, and good opportunities exist when the timing is right for you. So if there's anything we can help you with, we are here over Christmas, over the New Year's period. I'd love to have a chat with you, whether you're buying, selling, or just wanting to know what's happening locally. Don't hesitate to reach out to myself and the team here at Martinuzzi Property Group. We'd love to assist you as well. To wrap things up, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you have a safe one and much time off with your family and loved ones. And don't forget also, link below to our latest e-magazine. This is the December edition. So take a copy of that as well. Thanks for tuning in throughout the year, and we'll see you back here in 2025. Have a great day ahead.